Hi, this is Martin. I want to just briefly talk to you about the secrets to curing your tinnitus forever. I actually work in audio, and I certainly do appreciate hearing audio in good quality. But at the same time, I also understand just how debilitating tinnitus can be. And most people think that tinnitus has no cure, but actually it's very much a case where in many cases it can be cured by using natural remedies to completely rid yourself of this awful condition. Now, the sad part is you're not going to hear about many of these methods from your doctor. No one knows exactly what causes the disease, but although it is not life-threatening, it can be very serious. It can also wreck your ability to enjoy life. Now, I'd like to point out that there is in fact a website you can head over to, and when you do head over to that site, you can actually see that you're looking at what is effectively a video that will load up and that will explain all about it. You can then also see that after a while all this information on the bottom will materialize, and if you want to purchase the product, you can obviously hit the add to cart button. You'll notice that by actually putting in your the code over there into that box, it will reduce the price by 50%. Now, very importantly, whenever any product is purchased through my link, you'll actually find that there's always a full ability to have a refund if for any reason you're not satisfied with the product. The fact is, with tinnitus, it's often caused by a combination of factors, including things like MSG. So if you eliminate that from your diet, you will find that it will make a massive difference towards improving your ability to actually reduce the chance of tinnitus. Equally, you'll also find that by reducing other stress in your life, it will massively help as well. However, this particular article actually, as you can see, is quite detailed. I will just very briefly scroll through this article for you, and I will in fact be providing an information link below the video so that you can see this article for yourself, as well as the page to see that other video. All that information is located below this video for you to consider, and I certainly wish you a great deal of luck in resolving the problem. I found that when I've reduced all the things like MSG and general stress in my life, it has made a massive difference, and I'm looking forward to hearing feedback from you with similar results. Head over to the link below to read up on these articles, and have a fantastic day.